Dear friends, in this video we will talk about the great Winston Churchill, the great leader of United Kingdom, the former Prime Minister of United Kingdom. And we are going to see some of his interesting pics and 101 quotes very popular of Mr. Churchill. He is called Right Honourable Sir with respect, and we are going to see more details in this video. The great UK leader is called Sir Winston Churchill, KG OM CH TD DL FRS RA, was a British statesman who served as Prime Minister of United Kingdom from 1940 to 1945 during the Second World War, and again from 1951 to 1955 as per the details available in Wikipedia. He was born on 30th November 1874 in United Kingdom, and he died on 24th January 1965 in United Kingdom. This the basic details on this great leader. Sir, Right Honourable Sir is called with respect. Dear friends, in this video we will see interesting pictures of Winston Churchill and followed by 101 inspiring Churchill's quotes. Now this photo gives famous for addressing. As I see the style, how he is looking like. What a great personality, showing just two fingers with a challenging look. That is the beauty of Winston Churchill. Now you see with a pleasant face he is addressing, and his famous quotes are very, very popular among the public. Not only is a very good addressing, but also his hobby is nothing but drawing and painting. He will do wonderful drawing and painting, and these are all available in the collections. Another interesting thing is he is walking in the garden leisurely, so that gives him peace when he was working as Prime Minister of UK. See the style, see the confidence, what way he is addressing before the public. That is why he is very, very popular till today. See the outstanding leadership quality of showing two fingers, waving his hand to the public and also to his followers. The Churchill is very famous for his smoking. Always will find him a chain smoker, and that gives him pleasure. What a sweet face, what a pleasant face, wonderful face. So he is very calm, at the same time quite confident in his activities. Subscribe to my channel for more videos of great leaders and other inspiring talks. Churchill's 101 inspiring talks, they are very, very famous quotes from politics to human nature. That is what in this video we are going to see. Some of the quotes which I like, I am going to present in this video, but not all the 101 quotes. But very, very interesting quotes I am going to present in this video. His quotes are: if you are going through hell, keep going. Never, never, never give up. Time and money are largely interchangeable terms. So these are the three important quotes which I like, and more quotes will follow now. Wonderful quotes, wonderful quotes. Let us continue his quotes. Earth's laws are at times better than no laws at all. Everyone has his day, and some days last longer than others. Success is not the final, failure is not fatal. It is a courage to continue that counts. It is not in our power to anticipate our destiny. Very interesting quotes these are. His quote number 22 is very interesting. You have enemies? Good. That means you have stood up for something in your life. His quote 23 is more interesting. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. Really wonderful, really wonderful. Let us see his quote number 12. My taste is simple, I am easily satisfied with the best. To improve, to change, so to be perfect is change often. All wisdom is not new wisdom. Every man should ask himself each day whether he is not too readily accepting negative solutions. If you destroy a free market, you create a blank market. What a wonderful and deep rooted quotes these are. Next, let us see his 72nd quote. Very interesting. You never can tell whether bad luck may not, after all, turn out to be good luck. Next, you must put your head into the lion's mouth if the performance is to be a success. Say, what a wonderful, courageous quoting, That shows his willpower, that shows his confidence level. That is why he is a great leader. Last but not, let us see his quote number 101. A lie gets halfway around the world before the truth has a chance to get its pants on. See what a wonderful inner meaning in this quote. Thus, in this video, we have seen the details on the great leadership on the wonderful Right Honourable Sir, so called in UK, the Winston Churchill's quotings for leadership motivation, for the youth to shine as a great leaders in future. Please watch for more videos by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.